So look at this scene. Check karo yaar, mashallah. Har jagah pani pani, mashallah. This is a very rare scene to see during, you know, this time of the year here in Masjid Nabawi. Mashallah. Water everywhere. Like the whole area underwater. Mashallah. Everywhere. And you can see the sky. It just cleared up. Mashallah. Beautiful scene. And it's like super humid. It feels like Makkah right now. Kid you not. It literally feels like Makkah. It feels very humid and just different. It's not that hot. There's Baba Salam, mashallah. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammad. You see the entrance is open for Riyaz al-Jannah, and look, we have about 30 minutes or so till Asr, so just like clockwork, mashallah. Let's try to get in before. Okay, I'm done with Asr, and I just went inside the mall. I came back there. It's still weird. I don't know what's up, and it's like kind of like pleasant, to be honest. So I'm really confused as to like what is going on here. This is very unlike Medina weather, and it was like thundering and stuff before. You can still see it's a little bit wet still. Inshallah, really weird. I don't know. Salam Museum straight ahead. And this is basically the right side of Masjid Nabawi. So you know, all the hotels over here are like pretty far away, and you have Masjid Abdul Malik Fareed, Masjid Gamama, all those masjids back there. So this is that side, you know. I don't really come on this side much, but there's a ziyarat over here, but like they covered it up completely so you can't see it. I made a video on it actually a few years ago, but looks like they have it all covered up right now. But yeah, amazing weather, super windy, not sunny at all. Cool stuff. Shopping over here. There's a store that I'm looking for, and then I'm gonna have dinner too. But there's a store somewhere around here that I'm looking for, if I can find it, that sells some nice clothing. They have like meat shops and everything. It's called. That's where we're gonna go, and we're gonna check out some clothes. It's right next to Matbakh Hadramaut. Matbakh Hadramaut. Yumni. I'm gonna die. Oh shoot. Dude, crossing streets here is the worst. The store right here. I'm gonna check it out. Okay, I'm heading to a restaurant called Pak Barbecue. I just got my clothes. I bought a bunch of shirts, 6 of them total. So this is the area, and the store was back there. I'm gonna head this way, inshallah. So I have to make a left here into Chef's Market, it's called. This is basically like, you know, that area right there is where you know, you can have like Bukhari fish and goat and all that stuff. Basically, it's gonna be this way. The Chef's Market right here, you can see. So it should be on the left-hand side. It's the restaurant over here. So we're gonna check it out, inshallah. It's all Pakistani food. I believe it's the one at the corner right there where I'm close standing. I'm on the back side. I've never been here before. We got the Mutton Karahi, mashallah. That comes with roti and like raita and all that. 25 riyals for like a single portion. Pretty good, mashallah. I'm gonna taste it out, hopefully, and we'll see how it goes. So I had Mutton Karahi and it was excellent, honestly. I would give it like a 9, probably no out of 10, no out of 10, I guess if you want to say in Urdu. And it was pretty good. So I'm heading back to my hotel. I gotta like pack and stuff like that, inshallah. And I just wanted to kind of make a vlog. Beautiful sign, mashallah. So I'm gonna head to my hotel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.